Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary. For Wednesday, it's about 2:40 Eastern Time. Cotton market very impressive after that run up to 67.50 the other day. We took a snap back down and really scared the pajabbers out of a lot of people. We have not taken out that high, but did come back up today. July cotton going out at 67.25, roughly up about 85 points. With exports coming out tomorrow, it's not unusual for the market to have a strong Wednesday. If we do get good numbers tomorrow, I think the market can progress somewhat higher. And of course, there was talk of a pretty good size shipment number tomorrow, as the West Coast dock strike was solved back last March, and they have been catching up on a backlog of business. So we could see not a bad shipment number tomorrow. Corn and beans and wheat all up today. Very impressive. I think basically just oversold. A lot of the bearish news is kind of in for the moment. Soybeans had a record short position they talked about in the last 10 days, and they have come up rather smartly. I think we've seen about a 20-cent rally in the beans, and I think a lot of that's attributable to short covering. But corn, too, oversold. Corn hit a 6-month low, and although they do have a window of next week of very good planting weather. The market knows that, so we snapped that up as well. Wheat today also came up. I think there was some talk about the wheat out of the Black Sea area didn't get shipped out. And we also saw a tender from Taiwan for U.S. wheat. So all that was pretty impressive. The dollar was down today, as we anticipated what the Federal Reserve was going to do with interest rates. Well, the Federal Reserve came out and said they're going to leave them alone, so the dollar's still down about 90 points or so. We did have a very poor GDP number out today, but still the dollar's on the ropes, and that's really never a negative for agricultural commodities as far as exports are concerned, because when the dollar is cheap, in theory, it takes less currency from the other fella to convert over to dollars to buy our stuff. So that's sort of the way that indeed trades. We were sharply up today in energies. I think we've got a little breakout to the upside, and we should trade higher. I saw where February mileage was the strongest it's been in several years. So we're using strong demand for gasoline, and I think we could see this June contract, July contract trade up towards the 206 area. Tomorrow we do get exports. We'll see what those are. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.